Hey everybody, Mr. B here and welcome to the Loft. I know it's been a minute, but we're back and today we're doing a Mississippi pot roast in the crock pot. So let's get started with that. Okay, for your Mississippi pot roast, you are going to need, one chuck roast. This is about a 4-pounder, Holland and Henry. When selecting your roast, make sure that you're getting some really good caramelization because this just melts away and is absolutely delicious. For the braising liquid, I'm going to use some bone broth, some beef stock. You'll need about 8 to 10 of these pepperoncini peppers and a little bit of that juice. You need 1 Au Jus gravy packet, 1 ranch mix, doesn't get more white trash than that, y'all. An onion, I'm gonna have my beef base handy just in case of where we land. And I'm gonna throw some fresh rosemary in it for dry seasoning, equal parts garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, and I'm gonna bring 1 whole clove head of garlic. Let's brown this steak off. Okay, we are going to get Henry seasoned up here. Got about 2 tablespoons each of the dry seasonings that I mentioned. And we're gonna go hard and heavy on it. It's a big roast here. You wanna make sure that you're getting it on the sides. Get him over here. And pack him down. Beautiful. And wash your hands. All right, in the largest cast iron skillet or skillet period, you have medium heat, and I'm going to start heating up some avocado oil. You could use vegetable oil should you be so inclined to do so. What we are going to do here is brown Henry off. Why am I doing that? Well, I'm doing that for reasons. One, I want to develop a crust onto that little thing because brown is flavor, crust is flavor, and you know, it's just going to kind of help the process. It helps sear in some of that delicious flavorness, and it generally is just going to be amazing. So let's get this firmly coated. Now, obviously, we're not cooking Henry all the way through here. Merely just going to be getting him browned off. Oh, big old Henry. Let's get, yes, indeed. Now make sure you apply a little bit of pressure to get all of the surface area in contact with the skillet. All right, and we're gonna go about 4 minutes on each side. All right, let's get our first flip carefully. You can see we're starting to develop really good crust here, and that's really going to bring some flavor to this table. So let's start building our crock, okay? So I've placed a little bit of some onions and my garlic for Henry to kind of lay on and get comfortable. We're gonna place him carefully into, nice shot of the arm there, right? Into our crock. Oh my God, that looks amazing. Now, we're going to add our peppers and a little bit of that juice, pepper, You just kind of go around in. This damn pot roast is so simple. It's almost a joke. Let's keep going with these. Let's pour some of that liquid on in there. Yes, indeed. Okay. Rest of those for salad. Add a little bit of bone broth down in there. A couple of cups. Or so. Our gravy packet. Get it absolutely everywhere. Or a ranch packet. Maybe a little bit more of this broth. And I forgot to mention in the ingredient breakdown, you need an entire stick of butter, and use the good stuff here. All right, I think I will give us a dollop of, so that beef base. Okay, and we'll get it turned on. All right, we're gonna get old Henry settled on in here and give him a little rosemary, because that's delicious. Put the lid on, and now we wait for 6 hours. All right, so Henry has been at it for about 6 hours now. And I just want to give it a fork test. This is going to need to want to pull apart. Oh, indeed. Okay, well, we're going to get it out of here. That's going to be good. Oh, yes, indeed. This is beautiful. Interesting. So, like, I ran the garbage down to the chute, and I mean, the entire hallway, the entire floor of this building smells like Mississippi pot roast, y'all. I mean, sorry, neighbors, I guess. Probably not sharing this. I'm probably, this is food prep, people. This is beautiful. Now let's just hit that with a little bit of that. Oh my goodness gracious, yes. That beautiful gravy. All right, kids, there you have it. Mississippi pot roast. Absolutely amazing. All I'm gonna do is hit it with a little bit of some fresh parsley for color and freshness. And let's taste it, shall we? What do we got here? Wow. Wow. I've got a lot of character. Like something out of a Faulkner novel, y'all. You get that? You get the hint of the peppers running through it, but it's not like super spicy or anything like that. Richness of all of that stuff in the ranch in the Au Jus packet. Very beefy. This is amazing. With some mashed potatoes, peas, and gravy, guys. It's so easy. Crock pot did it all for you. There you have it, kids. Click like, subscribe, share the video. Mississippi pot roast. We're gonna see y'all next time. Cheers.